Hello everyone. Yeah, today come back to our Khmer classes. So I would like to teach you about some vocabulary and the topic today is shopping and food. Yeah. So you want to go to shopping around the Khmer market or something that street food or anything that they now speak English, so you understand about a basic simple sentences to speak with them. So let's just start today. Our lesson today about shopping and food, yeah, in Khmer. So our new vocabulary today about you said how you said in Khmer a market. Market is example. I want to go to market. You said Khnyom tới xã. Khnyom tới xã. I want to go. Khnyom chọn tới xã. Khnyom chọn tới xã. I want to go to market. So let's start our new vocabulary today for shopping and food. So the first one is a market. So market in Khmer is psa. Repeat after me, psa. Yeah. Shop or store, shop or store, you can say in Khmer is hang or top. Yeah. Sometimes a small you will see around in the a village, or they have a small shop. So you can say hang is yeah. So food in Khmer is aha. Yeah, food is aha. So how you say fruit in Khmer? Fruit is a pleasure, yeah. Fruit, pleasure. Vegetable. How you say vegetable? If you want to go to the market and you want to buy some vegetable, and then you say example, you said California cauliflower and onion or carrot or something morning glory or something. Then all this. So it will you know how to express Khmer. So vegetable is bonlai. Yeah. Rice is rice in Khmer. They have many words srau. Srau is mean a rice that not yet become to right field and for the rice, then another word is angkor. Angkor, yeah, angkor is they put in the packet. They make they take skin out already, and then they put in the bags, and then they said angkor. And another rice is, you can say in Khmer, normally you said buy, you want some more rice. Example, you eat rice with some amok or lokla, something like that, and then you want more rice. Sometime buy that. You said angkor, srau, or buy. Yeah. So how you say fish in Khmer? Yeah, fish is in Khmer language is trai. Yeah, you can say trai. Trai, yeah, fish, trai. How you say meat in Khmer? Meat, yeah. Meat in Khmer is we have many different kind of meat. So pork, beef, like a duck or chicken or something, dark meat or something. So like example, you say you want to say the pork is such yeah. You want to say beef is such go. It's called such yeah, such go. And another word is like water. How to say water in Khmer? So water is tak. Yeah, you can say tak. Yeah, water for drink. Yes, tak. Yeah. And how to say milk? Milk. Tak đỏ cổ. Yeah. How you say price in Khmer? Like price is in Khmer is đom lai or play. Yeah, play. Đom lai หรือก็ play. Yeah. So you continue with a common fruit like a banana. How you say in English is in Khmer, sorry, jade. Yeah, jade. You can say jade. Yeah. And another word is mango. Mango is swai. Swai. Yeah, mango. Swai. How to say pineapple in Khmer? Pineapple. Pineapple in Khmer is manoa. Manoa. Yeah. How you say orange in Khmer? Is sometimes you want to buy like orange in the market, and then you say how you say like so in Khmer is crowd. Yeah, crowd. How you say apple in Khmer? Plai palm. Yeah, plai palm. Example, you want to say I want to buy an apple or 1 kilo of apple. ខ្ញុំចង់ទិញផ្លែប៉ោម yeah ប៉ោម ឬក៏ផ្លែប៉ោម so relating like you want to say it like from the number like you want to bargaining for the bargaining like a muối is number 1, p is the number 2, 3 number 3 yeah 3 4 5 yeah 5 is 5 yeah 5 and how you say 10 in Khmer like dop yeah how you say 100 in Khmer so 100 yeah how you say 1000 how you say 1000 yeah 1000 is 1000 how you say 10,000 yeah 10,000 is 10,000 yeah 10,000 yeah 1 so count with me from 1 to 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 yeah. After that is a repeat again 10 1 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 yeah you just like learn basics like 100 and 1000 and 10,000 so 100 1000 10,000 yeah sorry 1000 and 10,000 is 10,000 yeah so that's all I say yeah for the number and for the price yeah for the price of shopping so how you say how much is this មួយនេះថ្លៃប៉ុន្មានថ្លៃគិតថ្លៃប៉ុន្មាន how much is this like you point something and then you said how much is it yeah and I want to buy this ខ្ញុំចង់ទិញមួយនេះឬក៏ this one or that one yeah can you lower the price តើអ្នកអាចបញ្ចុះតម្លៃបានទេបញ្ចុះ yeah បញ្ចុះ is mean discount តម្លៃ is like price yeah បានទេ yeah like can you yeah can you please lower the price down it's too expensive វាពិតជាថ្លៃណាស់វាពិតជាថ្លៃពេកថ្លៃណាស់ឬក៏ថ្លៃពេក you can say in Khmer yeah do you have អ្នកមានទេ do you have អ្នកមានទេតើអ្នកមានទេឬក៏អ្នកមានទេ so we continue yeah So 3. The basis for ordering food. I would like, yeah, example. ខ្ញុំចង់បាន ខ្ញុំចង់បានអាម៉ុកឡុកឡាក់ yeah, it's like a very very popular food in Khmer like alok amok alok la ខ្ញុំចង់បានម្ហូបអាម៉ុកខ្ញុំចង់បានម្ហូបឡុកឡាក់ខ្ញុំចង់បានសាច់អាំង which like I think you not remember so it's just like ខ្ញុំចង់បានម្ហូបអាម៉ុកឡុកឡាក់ or something yeah chili or mate yeah what do you recommend so how you do it it's like តើអ្នកណែនាំខ្ញុំអ្វីតើអ្នកណែនាំឲ្យខ្ញុំអ្វី like can you recommend for like a spicy food or like not spicy yeah no spicy please how you say no spicy please in Khmer yeah សូមកុំធ្វើឲ្យហឹរសូមកុំធ្វើឲ្យហឹរ you can say like សូមកុំធ្វើឲ្យហឹរសូមកុំដាក់ម្ទេស I don't like spicy yeah I'm all yeah so like you said allergic like of the ingredient like you are ខ្ញុំផ្ដាសាយ normally in Khmer like ផ្ដាសាយ is like you got cold like sick and cold like you got flu yeah so is ខ្ញុំផ្ដាសាយខ្ញុំអាឡាស៊ីខ្ញុំផ្ដាសាយ yeah so ខ្ញុំអាឡាស៊ីជាមួយគ្រឿងសមុទ្រឬក៏គ្រឿងសមុទ្រ or like seafood I allergic to like with the seafood or some ingredient yeah can I have the beer please សុំបងលុយសុំកាត់លុយ can I have a beer please so you express in Khmer សុំកាត់លុយ can I have a beer please yeah so article 4 like practice or activity so I hope you understand this lesson so today we're going to finish so meet you next time see you bye bye yeah thank you